Hi, Dr. Carly. Do you mind if I ask you some questions about exfoliation?
Sure, I'd love to answer them.
Great. First, can you tell the audience a little bit about yourself?
Of course, my name is Dr. Tiffany Carle, and I've worked here at Mary Kay R&D for 15 years. Right now, I'm an associate principal scientist on the skin and clinical research team in R&D. So I study basic skin biology to identify and develop new technologies that provide skincare benefits.
Awesome. Now, what exactly is exfoliation?
Right, so in terms of skincare, exfoliation is just the process of removing dead skin cells. So you can achieve this either with a physical exfoliant like a scrub, or by using a chemical exfoliant, which uses an acidic chemical like glycolic acid instead of granules to remove dead skin cells.
So why is exfoliation so important?
Well, the skin renews itself every 30 days or so, but sometimes the uppermost dead skin cells are not completely removed naturally. So exfoliation helps clear off these excess cells so that the new underlying skin cells can be revealed. Exfoliation helps smooth skin texture and may also prevent the development of dry, flaky skin. It can also help improve skin radiance, texture, and clarity, and also reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles.
How should I exfoliate in light of the rest of my skincare routine?
Well, we recommend exfoliating only 2 to 3 times a week if your skin permits, and always exfoliate after you've cleansed to ensure that impurities are not scrubbed into the skin. After that, you can continue with the rest of your regimen, starting with your toner and finishing with your SPF.
So why is applying the products in that order important?
Applying serums after exfoliation can be helpful because your skin might absorb the serums more readily, and applying moisturizers after exfoliating may help soothe the skin.
What about people who use retinol? Does that change how they should exfoliate?
Yes. So if you are using a retinol product and your skin is still in the retinization period, we don't recommend using exfoliation products as it might increase potential for discomfort. But after the retinization process is complete and your skin is adjusted, you can use exfoliation products on the evenings that you're not using retinol. But if you experience any skin discomfort, scale back on exfoliating based on your skin's tolerance.
That's great information. Now, is it possible to exfoliate too much?
Absolutely. We recommend only exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week, and always use physical scrubs gently. Rigorous scrubbing could remove too much skin and result in redness and irritation. And if you use chemical peels, only use them as directed, since overexposure could also irritate the skin. In addition, some skin types, generally darker skin tones, may develop dark spots or mottled pigmentation in response to inflammation. This is why you should always stop exfoliating if your skin feels irritated. And this applies even if you're not using retinol. No matter what the rest of your routine looks like, don't exfoliate too often or more intensely than you should.
So do I need to exfoliate my body too, or just my face and lips?
Well, all healthy skin can benefit from exfoliation. It'll help prevent dry, flaky skin. But don't exfoliate irritated or broken skin. Exfoliation is actually really helpful before applying self-tanner to ensure a uniform skin surface and even application. I don't recommend exfoliating before or after shaving, since both of those procedures can potentially irritate the skin. A better approach would be to shave in the morning and then exfoliate at night.
So can I exfoliate if I have acne?
Yes. So people with acne can definitely exfoliate their skin, and in fact, it might be really beneficial to help clear their pores. However, it's really crucial to avoid exfoliating any active lesions or pimples.
So I have to wear a mask. Can I still exfoliate?
Well, if wearing a mask irritates your skin, I don't recommend exfoliating or really using any products that can further irritate your skin immediately prior to wearing one. But in general, it's best to exfoliate at night so that the skin is not exposed to any new irritants while it repairs.
Should dark-skinned women still exfoliate if they're concerned about causing hyperpigmentation?
Yeah, so melanin-rich skin tones like those found in Black, Latina, Indian, or Middle Eastern women are often more prone to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So this means that when the skin is irritated, it might lead to dark spots or mottled pigmentation. So women with darker skin might find that a mild chemical exfoliant performs better than physical ones, which can irritate the skin if they're applied too rigorously.
Do you have any final thoughts on exfoliating?
Yeah, well, whether you're new to skincare or have a well-thought-out regimen, you've probably heard a lot of myths and misconceptions about exfoliation that cause more harm than good. I've answered a lot of common questions about exfoliation today, but your independent beauty consultant can be a great advocate for your skin, whether she's helping you find the best exfoliator for your skin or showing you how to use it. So if you're not already connected to one, visit marykay.com today and find your personal skincare advocate so she can help you safely care for your skin one peel or scrub at a time.